gonna be like melting.
Oh, yeah.
Eve, cut it out. Be nice to my baby.
You had to put that many candles on it?
Yeah.
Look at wax is already getting on the cake.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh my God, a
there.
little bit.
Only wax.
I wanted to put out 55. There was 80 of them in there.
It's the air has to be on now. See? Okay, can I blow them out? Okay.
No, not all of them are lit.
Oh my God.
You start singing, "Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you." Oh my God. Make a wish.